In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show after hours on Webull. This is specifically about seeing pre-market and after hours price movement on your charts and quotes, which is actually a separate setting from placing an actual trade during those windows. Let's dive right in. On mobile, from a stock's detail page, tap the More icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Chart Settings. From there, tap Including Extended Hours, and select your preferred display mode. On desktop, enter full screen mode on the stock's detail page and click the chart settings icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you find that same Including Extended Hours option. Click it to highlight it and choose your display mode from there. As for what those display modes actually mean, you'll typically get to choose between a standard display, which blends the extended hours price action right into your regular chart, and a separate display, which keeps it visually distinct instead. Pick whichever makes it easier for you to read at a glance while you're watching a stock move outside regular hours. One thing worth knowing, not every symbol actually has extended hours data available in the first place. If you turn this on for a specific stock and don't see any pre-market or after-hours movement showing up, that likely just means there isn't enough trading activity happening in that stock during those hours to display, rather than anything being wrong with your settings. One quick distinction worth remembering: this setting only controls what you can see on your charts and quotes. If you actually want to place an order during pre-market or after hours, that's a separate toggle inside the order ticket itself, which I've covered in more detail in a separate video. And that covers it. More, then Chart Settings, then Including Extended Hours, and pick your display mode. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.